way. To cover ground. To cover ground means to be extensive, to discuss much material. Forms such as a lot of, too much, too little are used before the noun ground. Examples in the sentences are that National Commission's report on urban ghettos covers a lot of ground. Many of the recommendations are too costly to implement. And in his first lecture on Greek philosophers, I thought that our professor covered too little ground. Next, to mind the store. To mind the store, to be responsible for an office while others are gone. Examples can be, it seems that all of our employees are taking a lunch break at the same time. I wonder who is minding the store. And Lynn agreed to mind the store while the others went outside to watch the parade passing by. To throw the book at. To throw the book at means to punish with full penalty, to be harsh on. Because the criminal was a repeat offender, the judge threw the book at him with heavy fines and a long prison term. My boss threw the book at me when he discovered that I had been using company time for personal businesses. I was severely reprimanded and forced to make up the lost time. To put one's foot in. To put one's foot in means to say or do the wrong thing.